Hello guys, I'm back again. Hello. This time, I'm gonna teach on how to use the QR code. So, paano ba natin gagamitin ang ating QR code? It's just simple. Kung wala na tayong free tips, our other options is using our QR code. So, napakadali lang guys. So, very easy. The very first thing to do is choose the what we call this. Choose what post that you like to give tips. Yung post na gusto mong bigyan ng tip. So, let's see. Oh, I like this. As you can see, his post is very beautiful. I miss swimming in the beach. Yeah, really. So, this post is very beautiful. Beautiful sunrise. And then, let's give a tip using our QR code. So, bigyan natin ng tip. Gamitin natin ang ating QR code. Just simple. Just click this $sign. And then, so, now, meron akong free tips but I will not use this. We will use the QR code. Let's click the QR code. And then, let's click or touch the QR code. Yeah. Just like this. Touch with your hands or touch with your finger. Then, we will be directed to our bitcoin.com wallet. So, it's amazing. It's really amazing, right? And we choose how much tip will we give. So, I'll choose 0.03 cents. Okay, type the desired amount that you are willing to tip or that you are willing to give or share. So, I decided to give 0.03 cents of dollar. And then, click continue. Then, as usual, slide to send. Okay. That's very easy, right? Okay, let's close it. Then, let's go back to noise.cash site. Okay, we are sending the tip. Hopefully, it will be successful. Let's wait. Oh, you're awesome. Sent. So, our tip using QR code was already sent. Amazing, right? Okay. Hopefully, you learn. There, I already tipped this post. And that's all, guys. Hopefully, you learn. This is very easy to learn, I guess. But I wanted to show you the actual tipping using the QR code. And just hopeful na meron kayong natutunan. Until next time, thank you once again for watching.